Hi folks, and welcome to week 4 of online educational psychology. I know that I've been working you guys really hard, and I want to say I am so impressed by you. You have been participating in the discussion boards admirably, coming up with some great ideas on there. Your work has been of excellent quality. I'm really shocked that so many of you have gotten everything in already. That's really impressive to me, and I'm just very, very proud of you. So well done with that. If you're a little bit behind, don't panic. We're not done with Unit 1 yet. So as long as you get all the work to me by the end of Unit 1, you're fine. So you're probably asking me, when's the end of Unit 1? Well, I have planned for us to finish Unit 1 this week. So we're supposed to be working on Lesson 3, and in Lesson 3 we're actually studying 2 topics, so there are 2 study guides in there. One of them is theories of motivation. That's one of the topics that we'll be discussing. The other topic is theories of intelligence, and there is a discussion board that goes along with that one. So we should be posting on that discussion board by tomorrow night at midnight. So I am wanting to be a little bit flexible here. I know you guys have been working super hard, and of course I know this is not the only class that you have. So as I'm looking at our schedule, I'm seeing that the next lesson that we have, Lesson 4, I've actually planned 2 weeks for that lesson. And I think that perhaps we could do a little slipping and sliding with deadlines on these ones. So if you want to stay right on track, you can finish all of Lesson 3 this week and take the test. So Exam 1 will be online for you anywhere between the end of this week and the end of the next week. So I think it's due on September 30th for you guys. I'll check the date to be sure. But we could slide it around a little bit. So if you would rather just take 1 week, for example, on Lesson 4, and take a whole another week on Lesson 3 right now, that would actually be fine. So I'm going to go ahead and make the test available for a 2-week period instead of just a 1-week period. And I'll extend some deadlines on things just so that you know and don't have to panic that I'm letting things slip around a little bit over the next 2 weeks. I promise that after Unit 1, we slow down. So you'll see that, for example, I had planned 2 weeks for Lesson 4. We're going to take a couple of weeks for Lessons 5 and 6. So it does slow down at this point. That's why I'm so impressed and amazed that you guys have stayed up as well as you have. You've really done incredibly well. So I'll go in and change those deadlines for you and everything, but just to let you know kind of what's on the calendar right now, you should have your Impact on Intelligence discussion board post up by tomorrow night. Your Intelligence study guide is due on Monday. And then the Motivation study guide is also technically due on Monday, but I'm going to let that one slip to the following week. Exam 1 should be taken coming up here, but I'm also going to let that one slip a bit. So watch for some changing deadlines, and then if you want to stick to the current schedule, that's great. If you would rather let things move around, you're feeling a little overwhelmed right now, then that is fine too. Let me check my notes here. Okay. That's all I had to say to you today. I hope you're doing well. Again, a reminder that my office door is always open and my email is always on. So please come and talk to me if you have any questions or concerns. I really want to be here to support you and help you in any way I can, okay? All right, thanks guys.